Hey, this is Pete from the Parks Kitchen. Today we're gonna go over how to make restaurant quality nigiri sushi at home. I'm making sea bream, salmon, and yellowtail nigiri sushi tonight, topped with lemon zest, jalapeno slices, and sea salt flakes. In this video, you'll see that I'm filleting a whole sea bream fish, but you can just get a already cut fillet to make sushi at home. If you do want to learn how to fillet a whole fish for sushi, I'll be making that video shortly, so please stay tuned. This will be a good instructional video on how to make sushi for most home cooks, starting from preparing sushi rice and how to easily assemble sushi without making a mess. I'm not a sushi chef, but I've made and eaten my fair share of sushi in my life, including in Japan, and I think this is a good recipe that doesn't take way too much work at home. So let's get started. Yeah, I use about a half a cup of rice. It's perfect for one person, and use just a little bit less water than usual. Pinch of sea salt. Yeah, I know. Rice wine vinegar. And gently mix around. Don't mash your rice. You want to preserve the integrity of your rice grain. Here I got a whole sea bream to fillet to cut into sushi pieces, but like I said, you can just get a pre-cut fillet that's been previously frozen to meet the FDA recommendation as sushi grade fish. My store didn't have any cut sea bream fillet, so oh well. Wow, that was a lot of work. Now we're gonna cut these nigiri slices. Make sure you just go at it once. So start cutting from the heel of your knife. Not every knife is long enough, so you need every length you can get so that you can make just one stroke. As for the yellowtail and salmon, I already got a pre-cut fillet, so I don't have to, fillet the whole thing. And they would be giant fish. So just do the same thing here. Cut it one slice at a time, one stroke. Start from the heel. That's it. And do the same thing with the salmon here. One slice at a time. Nice and easy. And just like that. Time to assemble your nigiri sushi. What I'm doing is just put a little dab of oil on your glove so that the rice doesn't stick and make a mess around your hands. And this is actually a neat trick that a real sushi chef told me about. I mean, of course the ones in the front, in front of customers, don't do this, but ones in the back, I think they definitely do this. And the trick here is that you just lightly pack your rice don't pack it so tight. You know, when you go to some sushi restaurants and their rice is just way too hard, it doesn't taste very good. You need your rice to be nice and airy and fluffy, so that when you put it in your mouth, it just kind of melts away. Not to mention it absorbs the soy sauce a lot better that way. I like to just use 2 fingers and push it down against my palm, but again, don't pack it too hard. Sake is definitely my favorite. Well, it looks like we have a good stopping point if you don't want to do all the garnish. If you're definitely a nigiri purist, this is where you want to stop. But I am pushing further. Some sea salt flakes. Some lemon zest only on the sea bream. Last but not least, jalapeno slices. Make sure they're thin. And squeeze of lemon only on the whitefish. And that's it. Wow, look at that. So good.